What up, YouTube? Y'all tapped in with that 1,000 subscriber young nigga, man. Y'all can't tell me nothing, boy. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm up here before I go to work to the tire shop trying to get me a new tire and everything. But they saying that I might need a patch, but I don't do patches, boy. I ain't trying to be stuck on the side of the road for nothing. You hear me? I'm up here in Goldilocks. Right now. This is my 99 Lexus GS 300, you know what I'm saying? Fully loaded, if y'all new to the channel. I also got a 2-door Tahoe, big baby, which is coming back to the channel. But yeah, man, we up here right now. About to get a tire from my boys over here at R&A Tires, new and used. Look at my dog right here. He been hiding from me all summer. Been hiding from me. He say he been hiding from the heat, but he been hiding from me. He'll make love on the clock. About to get fired. That's a new tire? How much you want? Oh, hold on. You getting me right? You gonna get me right, man? You know I work late nights, man. I don't want to be stuck on the side of the road, man. Make sure I'm right now.
What are you working?
Hold on. But yeah, man, this is my boy right here. He gonna get me right on the tire. Ooh, that thing dirty as hell. I need some brakes. Got that brake dust on that mug. He gonna balance me. Look at him. How you know when it's good, what it's supposed to say, 0 or some shit?
Yeah, he's 25 and 50.
Okay. Okay, I need to get my thing rebalanced anyway. When I get to like 80, it starts shaking real bad. So I got him on the balance beam. You done making love on the phone, man? You about to get fired, man. You was over there making love on the phone.
What?
You was making love on the phone, man. I heard you over there making love on the phone, man. Yeah, baby, you know you called the right place. I appreciate it. What's happening, man? You looking sharp, boy. I'm a YouTuber, man. I ain't doing this. I ain't no police or nothing. Your boy, he know me. He know me. You been on the channel 100 times, man. Yeah, man, we getting this thing over here balanced. The weight on there, okay, 0, 0, 0. So when it's 0, you ain't gotta put no weight on it?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, the weight on there, okay, bet. Check the, can you check the passenger side balancing too? You can check the passenger side balancing? Yeah, it starts shaking when I get up to like 80, so I know it needed balancing. I need a car wash, I need a balancing, I need some brakes. Wow, Goldilocks, she 100 though, boy. I love that car. You know what I'm saying? Wheels coming soon for it, don't worry about it. I ain't been in no rush to put no wheels. I don't really care for wheels like that, man, because I know these Atlanta streets messed up. Boy, I've been on cracks and shit, and I know I'm really be mad. Them factories look good, you know what I'm saying? They play. If y'all see I'm missing the wheel lug on every wheel, on each wheel, it's because they came with locks, and the person who I bought it from didn't have the fucking key for the lock. This cuz called me. Let me get back at y'all in a minute. Where it at? Oh, you threw it away? That's a big ass hole. That's a big hole. Ooh, get it enough. Look at that boy. And okay. Man, what this dude here doing up here, man? The little short dude, man. What this dude doing up here? The little short dude with the blue car.
You get some lunch for me.
Yeah, it's about your lunchtime? That's what's up. Oh, he bringing lunch with you. Where y'all got lunch from? American Deli? Oh, y'all eat that PS? Yeah, that American Deli trash, man. Hey, look, let me tell you. Next time you want some good lunch, go to my folks' Mexican restaurant up the street, Guacamole, next to the Walmart. They take good care of you, man. They got good, fresh food, authentic food. What's up, man? Look at him, see, he know me too. That's why he laughing like that. He ain't seen me in a minute. That boy know me. What's up, man? What you been up to? You been good?
Oh yeah, man.
Hey, what's up, man? Start eating that bullshit, American Deli, man. No more American Deli. I said the next time y'all want some good food, man, go at the Guacamole.
What is it?
Guacamole, down the street next to the Walmart.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, next to the other side.
Yeah, next to the GameStop. It's next to the GameStop and the cleaners. Uh-oh, you busted the water. That's the passenger side tire that he took off. Want to get it rebalanced. Quick. Ooh, your people working quick, man. What's up, man? You all right? They helping you? They helping you? All right, good, man. Huh? It's no good? Oh, man, let me get another tire, man. Yeah. I see it.
See right here?
Yeah,
There's some more in this, more in this.
yeah. Damn. That's all right. That's what I'm here for. I'm at the tire shop for a reason. You see all these tires in here? That tire no good. We get another one. Yeah, they got all the good tires in here, y'all. Every size you need, pretty much they got. Yeah, he upstairs in the boom boom room. Boy, I got the damn shacket on, boy. With the goddamn chacleta slide. Straight out there, jungle. Oh, shit. Killing myself. Just up here trying to get this done before I go to work, man, because I be getting off late. Like at 3 in the morning and shit, and I don't want to be coming home from work and need a tire. See, look at old boy, he think he's slick. He pulling in here with a GS2. Hey, y'all let me know. Should I put that wing on the back of my shit? That's the factory spoiler right there. That's on the back of that one. Should I put my wing on there? It look alright, but it just look big as hell, man. I ain't got one, as y'all can see. Mine didn't come with one. But his got one. Ooh, look at them 24s right there, boy. Them 24s. Good 24s. What you got over? Y'all see the step forwards on there? You know what I'm saying? Got a little concave on it. You see it right there. It's up in concave. What kind of tire that is?
Give me.
A what? A Definity. What the hell a Definity is? Y'all ain't got nothing better than that? Well, I ain't never heard of them folks. What the other one is you got on there? I like my tires to match. Shit, I ain't never heard of them either. Celero. We're gonna see how good they is going around curves at 80 miles an hour. All right, man. Shit better not fuck up. We're gonna see how good. We're gonna see how good it is going around the curve at 80. We're gonna see how good it is going around the curve at 80 miles an hour. All right, something happened. Y'all come back and look for this fool right here. Him too.
You got it.
Him too. That's them 24-inch Forgiatos right there. That's Forgiato wheels. You see the concave on that mug? See how it go in and come back out? Good rim, huh? Good rim. Oh, my foot. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. Give me money. We're bouncing that thing like a damn Spalding. Spalding basketball. Making good time. 301. We're making great time.
No shaking, nothing.
Yeah, no shaking, no nothing. I mean, I have a smooth ride, huh? Yeah, I need that.
Now you wanna feel like you're going in iron brake.
Hell no, I don't like that feeling. You know, when I had the women in the car with me, they don't want them being shaking and everything. Then they be like, can we just take my car? Like, hell no. Hey, stay smiling, man. Yeah, the camera's still on, man. Keep smiling, man. Yeah. Good job, good money. Got it. Go. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. It's working, see? I pulled up and all the customers followed me. You know what I'm saying? When I pulled up, y'all had one car out there other than mine. Now look, there's about 3 or 4 of the cars out there. Yeah, good Forgiato. You see that Forgiato? That 24-inch Forgiato right there. that 24-inch Forgiato right there. How you doing? All right. They say it's sun out, toes out, huh? That was up. Sun out, toes out. Can't do that right now. I'm going to work. Okay, enjoy your weekend then. Woo. They say I'm gonna ride smooth, man. I'm gonna ride smooth past 80. Watch out, get off me. Get your ass, get off me. That damn bug on me. Yes, sir. Sweating like a fat rat. I ain't gonna lie, low key, my shit cleaner than Buddy's on over there. Clean as GS. Find another one in the city, let me know. This body style, you know what I'm saying? This body style. I'm good? Bueno? Alright. Mucho gracias.
One eternity later.
I had a bucket on my handlebar, nigga riding around with motherfucker. I had a BMX bike riding around with car wash and shit. You feel me? But yo, man.
How we popping it off today?
Hey man, we popping it off the good. Hold on, let me turn the bottle around. We popping it off the good way. It's a label on the back. I'm gonna still show y'all the back of the bottle, but I'm just gonna show y'all the right way.
What's the quote of the day?
Man, the quote of the day is, man, accept life for what it is. Be grateful that you're here. Be grateful that you're alive. You know, just be thankful for everything, man. You feel me? Because it don't matter what you're going through, you know, good, bad, just be grateful for it. You know, I'm going through a lot right now myself. I don't mean to get personal right now for y'all. But at the end of the day, you know, I'm going through a lot though, you feel me? I ain't drinking cause you know what I'm going through. I'm drinking cause, you know, I just like to have fun. I live for today, not yesterday, not tomorrow, you feel me? So at the end of the day, y'all read between the lines. Live for today, not tomorrow, not yesterday.
Now, in the famous words of Drake, take a shot for me.
That part.
Yeah.
See a shot. If y'all just seeing this shot, take a shot for me and tag me on Instagram. Flykid.dj, man. FLYYKIDD.dj. Tired, pussy hole. But yeah, you know, as you can see what's going on today, you feel me? I just got over, you know, as y'all can see today, I got too drunk, you know. My dog T, Hollywood T, you feel me? You know, he got me right today. You feel me? As you can see, you know, he got the, he got the equipment, you feel me, to spray it down. You know, what I was gonna do, I was probably just gonna spray my shit out with water and dry it off. You feel me? But he got the gun and, you know, got the soap and stuff like that.
Okay, so he got the foam gun.
Yeah, he got the foam gun, you feel me? So yeah. You know, y'all know, I don't know if anybody else know on YouTube, but you know, as of right now, I had a Nissan Altima. You know, I had an Altima with a Hellcat motor in there.
6.66 liter.
6.6 liter. You know, I kept racing everybody. You know, I was losing, but I still feel like I was going fast. But, you know, I ended up blowing my transmission out, you feel me, because I missed a couple, you know, spark plugs. So I ended up going to get this right here. You know, the Honda Cat, you feel me?
Yeah.
You know, it's a VTEC in there.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of folks tell me, all the white boys tell me, yeah, you got a VTEC. You know, I'm like, okay, that's a 4-point liter. They said it's a VTEC. But it's fast though, you feel me?
Yeah.
You know, I'll show y'all my insides later. You know, my insides ain't too bad, you know. Got money laying around, you know, $1 bill, $1 bill, you know, strip club money. But at the end of the day though, man, look, as long as y'all getting from point A to point B, guess what?
That's all that matters.
You feel me? But at the end of the day, man, look, y'all stay tuned, cause today is just really getting started, bro. Today is really just getting started, cause this right here, this is like pre-gaming, you know, before you go to a club. See, we car people, you feel me? So we finna go to a car show later on. It start at 4 p.m., but you'll never pull up to a car show right on time.
Right.
Unless you wanna get a good spot, but at the end of the day, bro, you know, if you want everybody
We
out
make a
there,
spot.
you make a spot, bro. It don't matter if it's in the water. We Florida boys, we know how to swim. We can park our shit in the water. We're gonna swim to the land, you feel me? But at the end of the day, bro, you know, y'all see what we putting up in. You feel me? You see how we living, bro. You feel
Big
me?
baby, back first day back on the channel.
See, I ain't even named her yet. I don't even know if it's a boy or a girl yet, dog. I might name my dog Mad Max. I might name him Mad Max, cause guess what? It's gonna be a Mad Max summer, dog. You feel me? So guess what? You know, it ain't no gay shit cause I named him a boy. You know, this just my dog.
Yeah.
This just my dog right here.
You and your dog be sliding.
My dog gonna slide. My dog gonna slide before you better than these female would. But yeah, though, man, y'all boys stay tuned, man. Y'all
Make sure they do
lock
what?
in. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. You feel me? I'm telling y'all, share it, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. If y'all stay out here in Atlanta, Georgia, follow us on Instagram. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah. Flykid.dj.
Flykid.dj.
Hollywood T89.
Hollywood T89.
And Ken's Lifestyle.
Ken's Lifestyle.
Oos Gang Kodak.
Oos Gang
It's
Kodak.
Dooley.
Oos Dooley. I gotta shout out Green Light Gang.
Yeah.
I gotta shout out Green Light Gang.
Oh, well, they over here in the windshield.
They in the windshield for sure, man. We got merchandise for sale for sure. It's not
You got
hard.
drip for sale.
But yeah, for sure, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all lock in, man. If y'all want to see y'all car on YouTube the next day, I ain't talking about like, a month later. I'm talking about the next day, man. Y'all tap in, like, comment, subscribe,
It's free.
and just type in Instagram name. That's all y'all gotta do for us real quick.
Yeah.
That's all y'all gotta do. Just type in
Yeah.
Instagram name. If y'all ain't got no Instagram, cause I know a lot of people don't be on Instagram, just type in your Snapchat or something. You feel me?
Yeah.
Now I'll shout y'all folks out on Snapchat. My Snapchat jumping. I get like 500 views on Snapchat. So guess what?
Yeah.
That ain't a lot of views, but it's enough for me though. Cause
It
I'm
is a lot for the
antisocial.
average nigga, though.
You feel me? I'm antisocial, so if I even talk to you, alright, bet.
It's a
But
blessing.
yeah, y'all tap in, man.
Yeah,
It'll be a lit day, man.
All right, y'all, so I'm tapping back in, man. For y'all that don't know, boy, I am the original Chef Boyard Negro, you know what I'm saying? And what a coincidence, that cut say Florida like hell on it. So what we got right here, we got some ground turkey. Y'all hear CJ on 32s in the background, he turning his vent fan down or something. We got CJ on 32s playing in the background. I also got my slow cooker right there, you know. Got the Rotel right there, mild, you know, bro, them don't like hot shit, so we got the mild. And we got the mild taco seasoning, 2% Velveeta cheese, you know what I'm saying? Real good, we're gonna eat real good, boy. There go Hollywood Tea right there. You wanna goddamn record me? I got this is easier for you rather than just holding the phone. Yeah, y'all see me on that thing. Y'all see me on that thing. Yeah, we're gonna record it, you know what I'm saying? Get the meat and everything cooked. So you wanna let your skillet heat up first, you know what I'm saying? It been pretty much piping right about now. It's been piping. So my seasoning, I pretty much just freestyle. You know what I'm saying? Where the fuck the black pepper at? This ain't my house, so I don't know where everything at.
Right there in
So,
your face. Second row. Over.
This garlic salt, I need that.
The other one. To your, yeah.
It's me don't shoot, bro.
This
Come on.
Italian seasoning.
Black pepper should be up there, my guy.
Do not
This
shoot.
whole, this clove hole, this nigga DJ back there going crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, do not shoot, bro. Do not shoot, bro. It's me.
Lock my door.
It's me.
Lock my door,
I
fam.
lock the top lock, bro. Do not shoot, 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 bro. Do not shoot.
Alright, so pretty much what I use is garlic, salt, onion powder. Put a little bit of that all-purpose in there. Don't put too much, that shit'll kill you. The only thing about not being in your house, but you don't know where everything is actually at.
It's my house. I don't even know what everything got.
Yeah, this ain't your department. Man, what if it was a snake, it would have bit me, boy.
Right there.
Call it black pepper, boy. Then you got the goddamn salt. Salt lick. Nigga record the back of your head and shit. DJ, take over here. Yeah, nigga ain't no YouTube chef and everything. I was showing you before how I get down. They thought I was just the one that just sit around and look while I cook too. They
We're
talk about, boy.
brothers. We're happy and we're singing and we're colors. Give me a high five.
I should have had the camera out for your childish behavior at the stove just then.
At what?
At the stove.
Oh,
You
I am not from Covington. Nigga, shut your.
he was entertaining it.
I ain't say shit. That's the thing, I ain't say shit.
Guess what he did, T?
Man, heating up right there.
He ain't tell you what he did. Put the window on child lock.
Yeah, that boy kept dropping the damn window, letting the AC out. I'm like, boy, it's too hot for that shit. You crazy as hell. So you want to have your shit on like medium low?
Shit, I got one way back, one person way back. That nigga out there. That shit look good right there.
Oh, you on a video call?
Yeah, I'm on call with Big Ski. And baby, man, look, see, if you wanna vibe with us right now, you know we at a Florida boy house.
You got them.
We at a Florida boy house right now. Yeah, we all from Florida. I just said a Florida boy house. I ain't gonna say a Florida boy house and some of us from Georgia. We at a Florida boy house right now, you feel me? See, you know, over here, see, you know, you would be the happiest person on earth. You know, see, even if you're sitting on the couch and watching TV or YouTube, you'd just be happy just to be around us, bro. You feel me?
Break this thing down, you know what I'm saying? Break this down like that, dog.
Do your nigga get in the kitchen and cook like this?
They recording, so be careful what you say.
Okay. But yeah. Am I what? Hey, what are you making?
Well, tell where she at right
What
now?
you making, Ken's Lifestyle?
We making rotel, goddammit.
We making rotel dip. Yes, sir, Ski. We just went to Wally World to get the products to make it, you know, spicy. You know what I'm saying? Not spicy as in Mexican spicy, but you know we want to go make it spicy, like lit spicy.
I'm surprised he want this out there in the world. He want to drop this like this out there. He want to put the recipe out there. What he do?
I don't care. You can do it how I do it, but it ain't gonna taste the way it's supposed to taste.
Okay.
You ain't gonna get it to taste the way I make it taste.
Okay.
I'm gonna get all that in there together. Break all this shit down.
You taking notes? Yes, she's taking notes. You know how to cook, but you don't know how to make black people food, though.
It's really Mexican.
Even your mama said no, you don't. That's crazy.
Damn, your mama ain't on your team?
No, she don't.
Your mama ain't on your team?
That's crazy.
All she know how to do is throw that ass in a circle.
Yeah.
Let me get right here, DJ.
Okay, let me get that boy way
You
real.
know what I'm saying? I don't really open this salt too wide. 'Cause I don't want a lot to go off in there. You know, I want just enough.
Yeah, the meat give its own salt. You know, sodium.
I ain't trying to kill nobody.
Mexican. I ain't gonna say her name on you know, on YouTube right now. You know, we vlogging. But you know, I ain't gonna say your name. But
A little pepper on that thing.
hey,
bro, I don't want you reaching over your...
Hey, why you gotta
Receptions.
change? Look, you go on YouTube.
You gotta tell her how to spell it, though.
Hey, Nita, can you do me a favor real quick, please?
A little garlic salt.
You know, I don't ask you for nothing. I don't ask you for nothing but to stick your tooth in this.
A little onion powder.
But look, just go on YouTube, just subscribe to Ken's Lifestyle.
A little all-purpose seasoning, not too much. This shit'll kill you.
Do it in your phone.
I'm really getting the food. I ain't getting you. Your face.
Ken's
Sure.
Lifestyle, K-E-N-S-L-Y-F-E style.
Let them be cooked. And you already smell the aroma.
Just subscribe. Just tag your Instagram, write comments.
You already smell the aroma.
That's all.
Shit, we hit 1,000. We over 1,000 right now.
We over 1,000 right now.
Yeah, you can't tell me nothing. 1,000 subscriber type of dude, boy.
Once we blow up, then you gonna leave your nigga and be like, nah, I'm finna
I
go.
don't know what he talking about.
Gotta put some B-roll on that.
Right.
A
lot make a nigga. Yeah, make a nigga edit.
Look, it's making her so hungry, she licking her lips right now. Smiling, I see all 32 of them teeth, bro.
She probably like, DJ, when you gonna get in there and cook?
I'll get in there and cook that.
Make her one of them pockets, DJ.
Oh, well, my body, they will definitely.
Penitentiary
I made
DJ.
a pocket last night.
I bet you did.
Cheese about 12 o'clock last night, boy. Time I got in the shower, I
had to be marinating up under my bed mattress.
I'm really at this point, I'm just trying to mash it up to make sure we ain't got too big of chunks in there. You know, you don't want your chips to be breaking up like crazy when you eating this shit here.
Hey, test me though. Take my phone from the
You know what I'm saying? This meal is so easy, simple, and quick. Anybody can make it, bro. Anybody, even you. Even you watching this, you see my finger. You ain't gotta see my face, you see my finger. Even you.
Shit, close up. Kind of zoomed in.
No, that's just what it is. The frame rate, I got it in. Yeah, gonna let that simmer for a minute. See that right there, that what you don't want to do. You don't want to tell somebody to say you love me. You just want them to say that. You know what I'm saying? If she love you, she gonna say that shit. You ain't gotta say, tell me you love me. That's like, to me, that's like forcing the words down the motherfucker's throat. You know what I'm saying? If I don't love you, I don't love you. And nigga here, he a whole nother breed though. You gonna stand on your porch with a cigarette lit. Tell me you love me. Don't tell me you love me right now, then I go home. You cut it, bro. Hit the red button. All right, we back, y'all. We got the chicories in the background.
Okay, close the garage though. Press the button.
Gonna do some Three Stooges.
Make sure it's closed.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
My TikTok is Braceface 2000 and whatever / Janet Jackson hat in the summertime Rhythm Nation hat.
No, show me.
Alright.
Show me what I gotta do. And baby, if you love me, I'll do anything for you. Show me. That's all the nigga is over there right now. Yeah, so we done added all our seasonings and whatnot. What I need for, dang, she ran upstairs. Ooh, I'm gonna wash that out for me. Sorry.
And cut.
So you got some grams painted. Yeah, we cutting cheese at this point.
Fast forward, cheese right there. And the meat right here in the slow cooker.
Look at them niggas ready. Oh, what are we eating? Especially the nigga on the steps trying to creep off.
It's gonna be one funny vlog. Like how you cut that brick right there, young man.
Brick is a that's what we call it.
Oh man, that's a brick right here. Go ahead and try that egg roll. Infant face ass nigga, eat that motherfucker.
Throw all your cheese in them. We ain't got time to wait, so we putting all the cheese in here at once. We gonna let that be cooked.
How that thing get, DJ?
Meatloaf.
You taste like meatloaf? That's that ground turkey. You do ground turkey over here, B. Then my wife, she be making them things from scratch.
Yo, shout out to sis on the egg rolls.
Yeah, how you busting it down like that?
Bust down here, that nigga. Don't. What camera at? And yes, for y'all motherfuckers, I do wash my hands. And I did wash my hands before I started this shit. So don't get out in the comment section to my wash your hands and shit like that. Parker 67, aka Hondo House. House of Hondo, whatever your name is on YouTube.
You good over there, Chief?
Look up, Marley. Say cheese. Hey,
Oh, we got Miss Jackson. Janet.
Miss Passing.
We gonna get back to y'all when it's
What yeah, we gotta get the can opener. Add the Rotel in. Alright, y'all. Got the cheese and everything in there. It's melting up right now. You know, if you don't want it so thick, you just add a little bit of milk to it. You know, you don't want everybody constipated around here, so you put a little milk in there. You know, not too much, just a dab to loosen it up a little bit. And stir that bitch up. And voila. You know, I got the regular tortilla chips right here. My personal favorite, the bowls. You know what I'm saying? They're easier to scoop the dip with. So whatever you pick your poison, whatever clever. And we got the little bowls right here. You know what I'm saying? Watching little races on YouTube, Don't Races. DJ right there, Hollywood T, sits over there. But yeah, we just waiting on this to finish up. I'm gonna add a little milk. I ain't put a little milk yet, but I'm gonna add a little milk once the cheese melt to see what the state is of it, what state it's in, see if it's too thick or whatever. And we're gonna go from there. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend, man. We over 1,000 subscribers at that point. Let's keep it going, let's keep it moving, let's keep it flowing, let's keep positivity. Don't bring that negative over here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
We got the cube on, boy. He got my twin on this shirt. This nigga here. Can we get a drag shake, sir? And we be up in the club and we be posted in the back. Everybody get our heads sprung. Everybody get our heads sprung.
Now wait till I sober up.
Hey, you sober up. Oh, so that means you finna go ham on this dip. I'm already knowing it.
You gotta say, what is
About to go gorilla.
What's the name of the dip, dude?
Rotel.
Yo, you gotta say Rotel dip.
You about to go ham on this Rotel dip.
Rotel dip.
Yeah.
You say
On the Ken's dip. On the Ken's dip.
Other people might.
Yeah. Ain't no tobacco over here. Not an Elon. You know what I'm saying? We don't do that over here. But yeah, man, we'll tap back in with y'all in a minute. 100. Everybody bold.
It's only right that I come up with my squad. Instead of stunting no niggas, I'ma just stunt with my broad. They follow me because I know the way. I told my niggas it's enough for us to eat, so we don't have to share a dinner plate. It's only right that I come up with my squad. Instead of stunting no niggas, I'ma just stunt with my broad.